In today's video, how to fix the kernel security check failure. To fix a kernel security check failure, a common blue screen of death error on Windows Update or rollback drivers. Outdated, buggy, or incompatible drivers, especially for graphics cards, network adapters, or storage controllers, frequently trigger this stop code. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand categories, prioritize display adapters or network adapters. Right-click your device and choose Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers. If the crash started right after a driver update, right-click the device, go to Properties. Open the Driver tab, and click Rollback Driver. Repair corrupted system files, damaged system files or Windows Component Store corruption can break kernel integrity checks. Type CMD in the Windows search bar, right-click Command, Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type the on-screen command and press Enter. Wait for it to finish. Then type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Restart your computer once the scan completes. Test your memory. RAM faulty, RAM modules or unstable memory. Settings or overclocking often cause kernel failures during heavy tasks or gaming. Type Windows Memory Diagnostic in the search bar and open the tool. Select Restart Now and check for problems. Let your PC reboot and run the test. If errors show up, you may need to reseat or replace your RAM sticks. Install updates. Click the Windows icon, then go to Settings. Select Windows Update and install any pending system updates or security patches. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.